Hey guys, today I want to introduce you to a new DIY product. This is a DIY kit that is specifically designed so that anybody with a kitchen, a stove, and a stock pot, and the ability to boil water can produce their own fruiting blocks for a low price. I'm pretty excited about this kit because you're going to be able to grow any of the same varieties that you could get as a grow at home fruiting kit. Um, and you just have to do just a little bit of work yourself. It's a few minutes of effort. Well, that's it. It's simple to do, it's inexpensive. You can order several at a time to save on shipping and just put your spare spawn bags in the fridge until you're ready to use them. It's an easy and inexpensive way to grow really fresh, delicious mushrooms.